What's the meaning of caveman? Caveman. Caveman.
Caveman. Caveman. Caveman refers to a prehistoric human who lived during the Pleistocene era. These early humans were known for their primitive lifestyles, using stone tools and living in caves or other temporary shelters. The term caveman has since become a metaphor for someone who is uncivilized or uncultured. It can be used to describe a person who is perceived as being brutish or lacking sophistication. In popular culture, the image of the caveman has been used in numerous creative works, ranging from cartoons and comics to films and television shows.